AI, especially ChatGPT, have been all over the news lately. Since this channel is all about making money, it got me thinking, how can I use this AI to make myself some easy money? So let's jump into the top 5 ways to make money with ChatGPT. But first, what even is ChatGPT and why should I even care? Everyone has heard of AI, but not everyone has heard of ChatGPT until recently. Let's ask the AI itself and see what it says.
It's a special kind of computer program that is really good at understanding and talking like a human. It's good to do anything from coding, writing, research, communicating, and it has basically an endless amount of possibilities.
ChatGPT has an incredible amount of power and use cases. We're only scratching the surface of what we can do with it. I can relate this to the first time of using the internet and using a search engine to look up questions. Plus, did I mention this is free? Before we jump into the list, and prior to ChatGPT turning into a scene from iRobot, I want to mention if this video gets 100 likes, I will personally try out all these side hustles myself and see how much money I can make in a separate video. So make sure to like and subscribe. Number 1 on the list is going to be blogs. So you can take YouTube videos and articles and summarize them into blogs. And I actually done this myself and took the transcript from my YouTube video and asked the AI to create a blog style summary to post on my website. And for all the haters out there that say blogs are dead, I did an interview with the YouTube channel Income School a couple months ago, and he has a student of his making over $50,000 a month. You could also take other people's videos on YouTube and ask the AI to turn them into blog articles. Say for example, you create a website and then take the top videos in your niche. Maybe it's about boats on YouTube and you could turn those into blog articles. So maybe you do the best boats to buy this year, what type of boat should I buy, how to fix a leaking boat, etc. And then once you find those videos, you turn them into blogs. And the next thing you know, you have a boat blog that is generating a bunch of organic views that's basically printing money from the advertisements and affiliates. Number 2 on the list is to become a freelancer on Fiverr. The list here is pretty much endless with the different types of services you could offer. You could create and generate different types of copyrights, summarize recipe guides, product descriptions, resumes, cover letters, write TV scripts, write code, and so much more. Basically, it can do anything to do with writing or summarizing. I personally have paid sellers on Fiverr in the past to write blog articles on my website ranging anywhere from $5 on the low end up to $140. There's a lot of people asking and making $30 to $200 per project on Fiverr. You could take the description and the directions from the buyer, enter it into the AI, and in the matter of seconds, send the buyer back the final work. So say if you do 20 services a day at about $50 a pop, seems like you could pretty easily make $1,000 a day. Basically, you're just limited to the amount of people that book your services. I just created my Fiverr sellers account today, so I'm hoping to create a follow-up video very shortly, so stay tuned for that. Number 3 on the list is going to be to create YouTube channels with a video or a hot topic. You can search what topics are most popular in your niche and then create YouTube videos on them. So say for example, we go back to that boating example and we want to create a video on the top 5 most popular boats and who should buy them. We would ask ChatGPT to write a video YouTube script, and then there's other AI software where you can get a talking head from an AI robot, but actually it looks like a real person. Then that AI robot can read your script that you enter from ChatGPT. Basically, you're doing what I'm doing right now, but you have it all automated, and it would take a fraction of the time.
Or maybe I am an AI robot.
Number 4 on the list is going to be creating an Amazon ebook. This used to be a super hot side hustle back in the day when everyone was talking about it in the early 2000s. But if you could write a useful or entertaining book today and then sell it on Amazon, you could create some very easy money for yourself. For example, if you ask the AI to generate a kid's book and then sell it on Amazon, you can make some great money. If we just pull up this random kid book right here, you can see that this one is generating, I would guess, over $1,600 if we assume that just a quarter of the people are leaving it reviews. Number 5, and the last one on our list, we have affiliate marketing. We already know that blogs can make a lot of money, but there's endless possibilities with affiliate marketing and the different companies out there offering outrageous amounts of money to help them generate sales. Even if you only leave an affiliate link in your blog or YouTube channel, this could mean thousands of dollars of additional money each month. If you are feeling too lazy to copy over blog articles into a website and want to do an even faster approach, then you could look into companies like Quora that actually pay you to answer other people's questions. Well, that's it for the top 5 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Make sure to subscribe to see the video of me actually testing out the different side hustles that I mentioned in this video and to see how much sweet money we made from them. If you enjoyed this video, then you're definitely going to like this video right here that has been hand selected for you by the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off.